The Blueprint Project, the Columbian Exchange. Demographic consequences of the Columbian Exchange. The slave trade was a part of the Columbian Exchange, which it brought many Africans to America, and at the same time it decreased the populations of Africa, especially in West Africa. Environmental consequences of the Columbian Exchange. Around 50 through 90% of the Native Americans' population died due to the Columbian Exchange. It affected majority of the society because of its destructive diseases and its wide variety of new crops and livestock that increased rather than diminished the world human population. Political consequences of the Columbian Exchange. Wealth, national pride, religion, and political freedom were the main causes of exploration and colonization. The impact of the Columbian Exchange reached into Asia, where populations grew due to increased nutrient-rich foods. Geographic roots. North America, the New World gave Turkey as livestock goods and foods such as tobacco, sweet potatoes, avocado, peanut, etc. The New World, known as Europe, Asia, and Africa, also rounded goods such as cattle, sheep, horses, pig, onions, coffee beans, etc. The cons from this trade were the diseases that were spread from Europe, such as the smallpox, influenza, typhus, and the measles. Millions of Narivas in North America were killed due to these diseases during the Columbian Exchange. Push factors. People left Europe because they wanted an all-water route to Asia, which led to more trade and individuals leaving Europe. People left Europe because of the expand empires and gain wealth. People left Europe because they wanted to spread Christianity to other countries. People left Europe because of the new things that were occurring in Europe, such as the Renaissance, desire to travel, and printing press. Pull factors. People came to America for competition. Each European country wanted a piece of America. People came to North America for the Northwest Passage, an all-water route to Asia. People came to America for abundant land and resources to make a better living in America. People came to North America because they wanted the goods and food coming from the New World during the Columbian Exchange. Exchange of plants and animals. During the Columbian Exchange, horses, cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, and other species were brought to America. Before Columbus, Native Americans had domesticated llamas and alphas. Sugar cane, bananas, wheat, and coffee beans were exchanged in the New World. In the Old World, maize, pineapples, tomatoes, and potatoes were exchanged. Natural environments and political institutions and societies. Natural environments. The Europeans brought many diseases with them, which decimated Native Americans' populations. Colonists and Native Americans alike looked to the new plants as possible medical resources. The European presence in America spurred countless changes, negatively affecting native animals as well as people. Popularity of beaver-trained gnats in Europe led to the overhunting of beavers in the Northeast. Political institutions and societies. A transformation of global society. Climate and relative isolation of Western hemispheres throughout history led to the exceptional biodiversity of its attraction from a colonial perspective. Aztec society was composed of farmers who possessed very little social mobility. Commerce of European, Asia, and African. European. The exchange lasted through the years of expansion and discovery, changing plants, animals, and diseases, as well as technology impacting social and cultural makeup of both sides of the Atlantic. Asian. There were large, although less direct impacts of Africa and Asia on the New World societies. African. Decreased population indirectly caused a drastic labor shortage throughout America, contributing to the establishment of African slavery.